Good morning, students. Today, last day for investment chapter, and we are going to cover all past examination questions which we left. So, before starting today's session, first revise basic traditional rules of accounts. Personal account, debit the debtor, credit the creditor, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debtor becomes giver, creditor becomes receiver. Real account debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Personal and real account are carried to balance sheet and nominal accounts are transferred to P&L. Now, after that, modern approach, asset shows debit balance, liability shows credit balance, income credit, expense debit, and capital credit. Friends, in investment chapter, we have divided these problems in two parts, investment in equity shares and investment in debentures. In investment in debentures, we have to prepare 4 columns, that is face value, interest, particulars, face value, interest, and cost. Remember, cost is equal to X interest price, and ABCD sequence we have to maintain. A for face value, B for interest calculation, C for inner column. If it is come interest, then you have to deduct interest, and after that you will write in the D column, that is cost. This is the simplest technique for solving these illustrations. Now, can you give me list of all difficult questions? Okay. यस बेटा ज्योति जी, आज हम लोग राइट शेयर्स का भी टॉपिक देख लेंगे. यस बेटा, नो प्रॉब्लम. गुड मॉर्निंग. यस, so before starting today's session, first we will complete farmaish of Jyoti ji. So we are going to start with right shares first. So now you understood already what is right shares renouncement, and after that we are going to take some questions. So please give me a list of questions that we have not yet covered. So I will focus directly on those questions. So before starting, yes beta. In case of right issue, now you remember that in case of right shares, we have to calculate value of right. Now, what is the value of right? It is nothing but at what price you are going to give this share to your friend as a renouncement. So whenever you want to sell your share, right share, at what price? You don't want to retain that right, but you want to sell that right, and in that case, at what value you are going to sell it, it is called as value of right. So value of right is nothing but it is a come right value of share less X right value of share. It is come right value of share less X right value of share. For this, you can watch my previous sessions of investment chapter only. In investment chapter, I have covered in the last session. I think in the last session I already covered this part, that is only what is value of right, and now you are aware about right shares. So friends, value of right is nothing but it is कम राइट वैल्यू ऑफ शेयर लेस एक्स राइट वैल्यू ऑफ शेयर. तो जल्दी से मुझे बताइए वैल्यू ऑफ राइट मतलब क्या होने वाला है. वैल्यू ऑफ राइट इज नथिंग बट कम राइट वैल्यू माइनस एक्स राइट वैल्यू. ओके, निशा करना जी. यस, important point. If you want sessions in Hindi, you can contact Pune branch. Pune branch का number मैं आपको provide कर दूंगा. So you can just Google it. You will get this number. So ईशा जी, आपने जो पूछा है निशा for accounts costing, financial management and advance accounts that I am taking in the Pune branch. तो आप लोगों को जो चाहिए रहेगा तो आप उनको कांटेक्ट कर लीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. पर हिंदी में सेशंस रहेंगे, इतना याद रखिए. ओके, value of right is equal to come right value less x right value. So before starting today's session, just saying good morning to all of you. चलो जल्दी से good morning बोल दीजिए. आलोक शिवलानी जी, ज्योति जी गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. एमडी इब्रार अंसारी जी गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. ज्योति, खुशी, ज्ञानेश, yes, and Abdul ji. Good morning to all of you. आई थिंक अभी इशू ऑफ शेयर्स टॉपिक आपको, सॉरी, इन्वेस्टमेंट चैप्टर अभी आपको बहुत इजी लगा होगा. ओके. यस बेटा महिमा, इट्स टोटली इन हिंदी. नहीं बेटा, रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स मिल जाएंगे ज्योति जी आपको. चलिए. आज नए नए नाम आ रहे हैं. उर्मी राठौड़, कबीर रिजवान, चंदन कुमार, मंजू दाना जी. यस, बहुत सारे न्यू नेम्स. ओके, सो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट वैल्यू ऑफ राइट? कम टू एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3, or we will directly solve illustrations. So beta, only one illustration is important in this case. Right shares. Yes, only two illustrations are there and you will get 5 marks for these illustrations. Okay. A company offers new shares of 100 each at 25% premium to existing shareholders. So beta, one share price is rupees 125 on 1 for 4 basis. So one share for 4 shares. So one share you are getting at 125. And the come market price of this 140 shares, existing shares are 4, so 150 rupees. Okay, so here how to calculate X right value? Acha, come right value is beta today's market value. Today's market value is rupees, called as come right value. Okay. And what is X right value? Now, X right value is you have total 5 shares that I will take it in the denominator. One share at 125. So 125 plus 150 shares into 4 rupee, 4 shares into 150 rupees. That is 600. So total will be 725. 725 divided by 5. So this is 145. So X right value is called as 145 and 150 is a come right value. So again, I am telling you, first you have to write this 1:4. Just telling you the logic behind it. So 1:4. ये आपका शेयर्स का कैलकुलेशन है. So one share I will multiply. This is beta illustration number 5 of chapter bonus shares. Accounting for bonus and right issue. It's a remaining part that now I am covering it. Why? Because now you are aware about the concept of investment in equity shares. What is renouncement? And that's why we left with this part and now I'm going to cover it. Okay. So one share is costing me rupees. Now today's value is 125, but for existing shares, this is the right share that I am getting right. And these are existing shares, 4 shares for which I'm getting 1 share at rupees, 4 shares I'm getting at rupees 150. Okay, existing shares price is 150, including this is come right price. Beta, this is come right price. Now total is 600 and here is 125. So my total value of my shares is 725 as per calculation. For how many shares? 5 shares. This is called as X right. So X right and come right ka difference is called as, this is 145. So this difference 145 is called as value of right. So I can sell my share at rupees 5. So value of right is 5 rupees. One share. So those shares, so 20 rupees he has to pay to existing shareholder. What it means? So he has to pay 20 rupees behind it. Okay. So 20 rupees usko pay karna padega. Itna yaad rakhiye. How 20 rupees? Value of right is 5 rupees per share and you have existing shares of 4. So 4 shares multiplied by 5 rupees is called as value. Total value of right per share is 5 rupees. So total value is rupees 20. You are getting this concept or not? We are going to solve one more question based on this. पुणे ब्रांच का नंबर है 8237266002. बेटा यू कैनॉट शेयर राइट शेयर्स का इशू कुछ भी नहीं है. राइट शेयर्स जो है राइट शेयर्स के जो भी शेयर्स है बेटा, राइट शेयर्स ये आपके 4 शेयर्स फॉर ₹5 रहने वाले ₹20. तो यहाँ पे इट इज रिनाउंसमेंट होता है. ये क्या होता है? रिनाउंसमेंट. यस, टीवाई के 4 भी ऐसा ही है. हर्षित जायसवाल, वेरी गुड बेटा. के 4 भी ऐसा ही है. टीवाई के 4 पे आते हैं हम लोग. वेरी गुड. बट आई एम गोइंग टू मिस यू फॉर नेक्स्ट 15 days. तो आप अच्छे से पढ़ाई करना. 15 days आई एम नॉट देयर. सो आई विल कम बैक आफ्टर. I think insurance claim. I don't know exactly number of chapters. Number of one is hire purchase. Second one is insurance claim. So I will come back after 17th. Okay. तो 17 तक अच्छे से पढ़ाई करना. Do your best. Today I'm not going to give you break. Okay. Today after solving all these illustrations, I will leave you. तो आज हमारा लास्ट डे है. चलो, one question is there. TYK 5. Sorry, TYK 4 is there. Now you only tell me. A company has decided to increase its existing capital by making right shares issued to its existing shareholder. The company is offering 1 share for every 2 shares. Now you only tell me the answer. The market price of the share is 240 and company is offering it at 120. Chalo. So tell me what is value of right. First calculate. So this is called as, the market value is called as cum right value. Beta Ibrar Ansari ji, you can do the same working as in new study material for that departmental accounting. Okay, beta, once you understood it. Value of right is the difference between beta Miss Kanka Hariniji. Yes, I am telling you the value of right is nothing but it's a cum right minus x right. Now how to calculate x right? Cum right you are aware 240. X right कैसे calculate करना है? Yes beta. 1 into 120 and 2 into 240. So this is 120 plus 480. 600 divided by 3. It's 200. So 240 minus 200 is equal to 40. So value of right is 40. Value of right is 40. You can check the answer. No. Jyoti, value of right is not 200. Value of right is a difference. It is x right. Beta Kanakarini ji, how you got 160 beta? 160 is not the correct answer. 40 rupees. And 2 shares ka value of right is, you have 2 shares, so 80 rupees. Yes, beta. Kanka, you got your mistake. Yes, Mahima. Other students are not answering. Are you finding it's difficult? अरे तो इतना इजी है, कम राइट एंड एक्स राइट. Is it difficult, other students? Renouncement is nothing but it's a value of right is equal to come right value minus x right value. It's so simple. अरे बेटा 120 is one share price. For Kankaji, one share we are giving for 2 shares. For one share, it is a right price. And these are existing shares. One share is of rupees 120 and 2 shares. These are existing shares. Market value is beta 240. Okay. So what is right share price? 120. And what are existing shares market value? 480. So total value of my shares are 600. अरे ये डेली कैसे प्रॉब्लम होता है यार. अरे ज्योति मैडम, सी बेटा, वन शेयर इज ऑफ रुपीज 120. अरे यार ये क्या नजर लग गई है मेरे सेशन को. बेटा वन शेयर is of right price is 120 and 2 shares existing market price is 240. So 120 into 1 that I will multiply, 240 into 2 that I will multiply, and then I will take a total. Total is 600. 600 and now I have one right share and 2 existing shares. So total 3 shares. So this 600 divided by 2, it is called as, yes beta, it is called as X right price, 200 rupees. And 240 is a current market price, which is called as come right price minus 200. It is the 40 rupees. कितना easy है यार ये तो. महिमा, फॉर्मूला इज नथिंग बट 2 एग्जिस्टिंग शेयर्स, एक राइट शेयर. राइट शेयर्स को राइट प्राइस से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और एग्जिस्टिंग शेयर्स को 2 शेयर्स को करंट मार्केट प्राइस से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और डिवाइड बाय जितने शेयर्स होते हैं डिवाइड बाय 3 करने के बाद यू विल गेट द आंसर. ज्योति समझ में आया क्या बेटा? चलो तब तक अब्दुल जी बोल रहे एक एग्जांपल आप लोग सॉल्व करो. चलो यू ओनली सॉल्व इट. One right share is offered for 3 existing share. Write down one right share for 3 existing shares. For 3 existing share, one right share price is 100 rupees. And existing share price is 150 rupees. Existing share price is 150 rupees. अरे ये सुबह से अच्छा रहता है, सॉरी बाद में, या आपके सेशन में क्या हो जाता है इसको? 1 शेयर 100 रुपीज, 3 शेयर्स 150. 1 share is offered for 3 shares. 1 share is right price is beta 100 rupees, and existing market value is 150 rupees. Beta, please take decimals also. Shruti, please take decimals. Everyone is getting value of right is rupees 12.5. Wow, wow, wow. अरे ज्योति, बैक. Value of right, I'm getting 12.5. Pranavji, please don't round off this. Okay, you have to keep it at 12.5 only. Don't keep it as 13 rupees. 12.5 and total value is rupees 12.5 multiplied by 3 shares. My screen को कुछ तो गड़बड़ हो गई थी बेटा, रुको यार, ये क्या होता है बैच के टाइम पे? Yes, Gaurav Jain, screen is off. I know. 12.5 is the correct answer. Very good, beta. Very good. I'm very happy. Now you got this answer. Dimple, very good, beta. Chandan, very good. New students are answering. Yes. रुका हूं मैं सिर्फ, ये मेरे कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम हो गया. एंड बिलीव में ये दिन भर अच्छा चलता है. यस बेटा, यस यू आर राइट. 12.5. यस, वेरी गुड बेटा. महिमा, वेरी गुड बेटा. रुको 2 मिनट. चलो तब तक मैं आपकी क्विज ले लेता हूं. आई एम आस्किंग यू सम एंट्रीज. चलो फटाफट फटाफट. डिस्काउंट अलाउड. टेल मी एंट्री फॉर डिस्काउंट अलाउड. चलो लेट्स सी how many of you can tell me entries. Discount allowed. Think properly. Discount allowed. Yes. चलो ये 5 से 10 मिनट हम लोग कुछ अच्छे कार्य के लिए रखते हैं. आई एम आस्किंग यू सम एंट्रीज. चलो, एंड इफ यू डोंट गेट दिस एंट्रीज, प्लीज राइट डाउन इट समवेयर. आई एम गिविंग यू 12 to 15 important entries, and these all entries are important in the branch accounts and single entries. So please make sure that these entries you can answer it properly. Yes, who answered it very fast? Yes, very good. See, discount allowed. Now, how to think discount allowed? First thing, discount, I'm allowing it. Okay, allow means it's my loss because debtors will pay me less. I'm going to receive 100 rupees. And out of this 100 rupees, now I have given 20 rupees discount. This is discount allowed. So discount allowed is my loss. So discount allowed को debit दूंगा and debtors I'm going to reduce it. Okay. So debtors को credit आएगा. So discount allowed to debtors. Okay. If you are not getting these entries, please write down it somewhere. Very good. Discount allowed to debtors. Yes. Many of you answered it. Very good. Very good. Discount allowed to debtors. नो बेटा, उर्मी राठौड़, डिस्काउंट अलाउड टू P&L नहीं होता है, टू डेटर्स होता है. कनकारिनी जी, यू आर ऑल्सो रॉन्ग बेटा. डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड की एंट्री यू पास्ट, नॉट डिस्काउंट अलाउड. डिस्काउंट अलाउड इज माई लॉस. चलो नेक्स्ट एंट्री. इमीडिएटली यू कैन राइट डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड. डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड. चलो टेल मी डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड की एंट्री. Discount received. कस्टमर नहीं बेटा, महिमा जी कस्टमर नहीं लिखेंगे. कस्टमर से अच्छा डेटर्स क्रेडिटर्स लिखते हैं, या ट्रेड रिसीवेबल ट्रेड पेएबल. यू कैन से इट इन दिस वे. ओके. ज्ञानेश इंगड़े, वेरी गुड बेटा. क्रेडिटर्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड. यस बेटा. हर्षित, वेरी गुड. हर्षित वगैरह मेरे पुराने स्टूडेंट्स है, सो आई नो देयर बेसिक्स आर वेरी क्लियर. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट एंट्री. Payment to creditors. Third entry, payment to creditors. Can you tell me the entry for payment to creditors? Okay, payment to creditors. चलो payment to creditors बता दीजिए. Payment to creditors. Very good, Harshit. Payment to creditors. Creditors to cash. Very good. Creditors to cash is the correct entry. See, creditor becomes receiver. So creditors are now, they becomes receiver. And to cash. Correct है. Yes, Khushi, very good beta. Urmi, very good. Collection from debtors. Collection from debtors. Collection from debtors. Please try to answer it. If you don't answer, remember your basics will never improve. So it's my request, whenever I'm asking you basic entries, please don't skip it. Please answer it in the comment section. Live batch students, because I cannot interact with you directly. Face to face में आपको question नहीं पूछ सकता हूँ. So it's better you take your own time and write down your answers in comment section. Very good. So bank account debit to debtors account, or cash account debit to debtors account, because cash comes in. Collection means cash comes in and debtor becomes giver. Debtor becomes giver. Okay, sir. Okay. Bad debts. Now tell me the entry for bad debts. Bad debts. So, beta, those students who are direct entry students, please recall all these entries, because at foundation level, these students, I already covered their basics from scratch. So now at intermediate level, they are very happy कि हाँ भाई ये हमें आता है करके. तो उनके लिए इतनी दिक्कतें नहीं जाएगी. दिक्कतें किसको जाएगी? तो जो डायरेक्ट एंट्री स्टूडेंट्स है. ओके ओके बेटा. श्रुति, यू हैव टू improve your basics. You have to watch my previous sessions of foundation batch. So foundation batch के पहले 2-3 दिन के sessions attend कर लीजिए. Your basics will get improved. Okay, batch number 6 से अब 5 था. Bad debts. Bad debts is my loss. So bad debts is my loss to debtors. Debtors, I'm cancelling it because now he's no more to give me money back. So debtors having debit balance, I want to cancel it. So debtors balance को मैं zero करेगा. So bad debts to debtors. Bad debts to debtors. Last entry. Bad debts recovered. Bad debts recovered. Bad debts recovered. Bad debts recovered. Beta, if you want to pass your exam, improve your basics. You just have to work hard on your basics to clear this exam. Bad debts recovered. Wrong बेटा मोहम्मद असलम. कुछ भी एंट्री करते हो बेटा आप. Bad debts recovered is cash account debit to bad debts recovered. Cash account debit to bad debts recovered. See, debtors को books में मत लाइए. In entry, in bad debts recovered is there is no debtors account. Sir, please recall these entries every time. Okay, cash to bad debts recovered. Chalo, one more time. Journal entries that I covered today. Discount allowed. Discount received. Collection from debtors. Payment to creditors. Bad debts and bad debts recovered. Discount allowed is my loss. Discount received is my gain. So discount allowed account debit, loss to debtors. Debtors, I am going to cancel it. Discount received to discount received, and creditors account will be debited. Creditors is going to cancel, and discount received is my gain. Gain has credit balance. Expenses debit, loss debit, income credit, gain credit, asset debit, liability credit, and capital credit. So you are aware about these rules. Collection from debtors, cash comes in, cash comes in. To debtors, debtors becomes giver, debtor becomes giver. Okay, so customer becomes giver. Payment to creditors, cash goes out, and creditors become receiver. Creditors become receiver. Bad debts account debit to debtors. Debtors, we are going to cancel it. So bad debts is loss, and debtors we are cancelling. And bad debts recovered, cash account debit to bad debts recovered is my gain. Cash to bad debts recovered. Okay. Chaliye. So now basics we have finished. Today's concept, value of right. Now it's very easy. Value of right. If suppose exam में question आता है तो you'll get full 5 marks. Yes, basics पे ध्यान देते रहना. Beta, security premium is never utilized in NSG in case of redemption of preference shares. चलो, now I will move to investment questions. अच्छा, tell me the list of difficult questions. चलो, sorry, remaining questions. Remaining questions, beta. I will show you directly the answer. I will first explain this. I just want every one of you now finish the answer. I will tell you the answer directly. I will give you time. So everyone has to do it by tick ticky technique. From next question, I will take tick ticky. No Harshit. इस बार की बैच बहुत छोटी है, so no need of Telegram channel. Yes, Urmi, I will explain it. Okay, no problem. ट्रांसफर वाले क्वेश्चंस मतलब कौन से बेटा? आकाश लिमिटेड 4000 इक्विटी शेयर्स एट ₹15 पर शेयर. So बेटा 4000 into 15, 60,000. On 1st September, he acquired 1000 shares at a premium of 4. So बेटा 14,000, 10 rupees plus 4, so 14,000. Bonus was declared for 2 shares for every 5 shares. Okay. So now I have 5,000 shares into 1 share for 2 shares for every 5 shares. So beta, these are 2,000, cost 0. Right shares, now you have total 7,000 shares. The company issued 2 right shares for every 7 shares. So here also 2,000 at a premium of 25. So premium of 25 means 10 plus 25. So 12.5 is the right price. Existing shareholders can transfer their rights to outsiders. So 50% entitlement, he sold the remaining rights for 8 rupees. So 80 rupees, that is 1000 shares. 8,000 is renouncement. And 1000 into 12.5, he sold it 12,500. Dividend 20% was declared. So I have previously 4,000 equity shares into 10 into 20% is a post acquisition. Okay. 8,000 and 1,000 into 10 into 20%. So this is 500. Sorry. This is 2,000 pre-acquisition. Pre-acquisition 2,000. He sold half of his shares, okay, at a premium of ₹14 rupees, and closing value is ₹13. Exactly 15 minutes. Chalo, I will show you the answer. Please, every one of you, don't cheat me. You have to solve by your own way and tell me the answer. सब लोग वापस solve करेंगे. Those who already solved, please, for practice purpose, you will solve it again. Chalo, start. You have 12 minutes actually, 12 to 15 minutes. So 15 minutes is a maximum time. Chalo, solve fast. I have given you all hints of this question. Draw properly. Tell me the balancing figure. Buy balance carried down. Final price after solving. चलो कोई भी वेट नहीं करेगा, स्टार्ट कर देगा. तो यू हैव ऑलरेडी सॉल्व. वापस एक बार प्रैक्टिस के लिए. प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस. चलो फास्ट. बेटा मोहम्मद असलम, इक्विटी शेयर्स के प्रॉब्लम ऑलवेज सॉल्व बाय वेटेड एवरेज मेथड. Debentures can be by FIFO or weighted average. Many students have answered it correctly. Pranav, wrong, beta. Remaining students are getting correct answer. Kankarini ji, yes, you are getting correct answer. Alok ji, you are getting correct answer. Abdul bhai, galat કર્યું. Wrong answer, Abdul bhai. Yes. Shruti, do practice, beta. Don't worry. Watch my previous sessions, Shruti. Don't give up, beta. होता है ऐसा. कभी कभी नहीं समझ में आता है. And that's why I'm giving you time to solve. See, with Sanket sir, it's very easy to solve. By your own, it's difficult. So that's why I've given you time to solve this question. Shruti, समझा बेटा? And don't worry, आ जाएगा आपको. क्या रे अब्दुल? हाँ, इतनी गलतियां कैसे करता है तू? वेरी गुड. चलो, लास्ट 1.5 minute. बेटा 2000 is credited. It's a pre-acquisition profit, बेटा, dividend. क्या कर रही है उर्मी? मिस प्रियंका सेम मिस्टेक जो अब्दुल ने किया. दिस इज 84,500. 2,000 कौन डिडक्ट करेगा? अब्दुल ने सेम मिस्टेक किया था. मिस प्रियंका, यू हैव डन सेम मिस्टेक. इट्स ओके. यस बेटा आलोक, टुडे इज अ नवंबर 2020 का क्वेश्चन पेपर है. बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू दो स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, चलो बस हो गया. लास्ट 3 सेकंड्स. चलिए. चलो स्टार्ट. यस, स्टार्ट बेटा. May 2018, Mr. Vijay entered into the following transactions of purchase and sale equity shares. 1/1/2016, 600 shares. 15 March, 600, 900. 20th May, July, bonus shares received. Okay. On 15 September, dividend 3 per share was received. On 12/11, company made a right issue, 1 share for every 5 shares. On payment of 20, he subscribed 60% of the shares and renounced the remaining shares on the receipt of premium of 3 per share. Okay. Shares are to be valued on weighted average basis. 10 marks question. Chalo, start. Year ending 31st March 2016 and year ending 31st March 2017. So बेटा 16 का यहां तक आएगा और इसके आगे का 17 से चालू होगा. Now here also 15 September here dividend and then 12/11 for right shares. 12/11 is a right shares. Okay. चलो 10 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है. राइट डाउन. In the books of JP Power, investment account, equity shares for year ended 31st March 2016. Date, particulars, number of shares, rupees, date, particulars, number of shares, rupees. After 7 lines, write down. For the year ended, after 7 lines, write down. For the year ended 31st March 2017. Same columns we are going to continue. Okay. So no need to draw it for 2 times. Draw fast. चलिए. Date particulars, number of shares, rupees. चलिए fast. First date 1/1/2016, 600 and 900 on 15 March. 1/1/16 to bank 600 shares. 15 March. To bank 900. 20 rupees. So 12,000 and 900 by 25. 22,500. Take a total 1,500. 34,500. Buy balance carried down 1,500. 34,500. It's a star mark. It is divided in 2 years, beta. Bus. 1st April, 2 balance brought down 1,500. 34,500. Now, line by line. 20th March, 1,000 for 23. 1,000 shares for 23. 23,000. 20th May. पच्चीस जुलाई to bonus 2,500 shares dash. Next, 15 September, dividend on 1,000 shares, and we will assume dividend is not for bonus shares. We will assume dividend is not for bonus shares. This is the assumption you have to write. 15 September by bank, pre-acquisition dividend only on 1,000 shares. Sorry, you don't have to write number of shares. 1,000 shares into rupees 3. So this is pre-acquisition dividend. On 1,500 shares, we are already having 1,500 shares. So this is post-acquisition credited to P&L. Next, 15 September over 12/11 to bank right shares. Now you have 5,000 shares into 1 by 5 into 60% into rupees 20. 1000, 600 into 20, 12, 600, 12,000. So 12,000. You can do it by directly on Calci or orally also. मैं orally कर दिया. Then 20th December, you sold 1,500 shares by bank. 1,500 shares, I sold it for 22. 100 into 22, 33,000. I have to calculate profit or loss. So working note 1, profit oblique loss on sale. (20th December), serial number, particulars, computation, rupees, Roman 1, sales value as above, 33,000, less cost of acquisition, 34.5 plus 23 plus 12 minus 3, 66,500 for how many shares? 1500, 1000, 25, और 600, 5,600. I sold 1,500 shares. $17,812.5. So Roman 3, profit 1 minus 2, 12,187.5. 33, no, sorry, 33 minus 17 point, 15 point, sorry. 15,187.5. On the same line, I am going to write to profit 15,187.5. Next one. One to 2017. By bank. 1,000 shares. 24,000. Working note 2. Profit oblique loss on sale. On sale 1 to 2017. Roman 1, sales value as above, 24,000. Roman 2, cost of acquisition 66,500 divided by 5,600 into 1,000. 11,875. So profit 1 minus 2, 12,125. 31st March. Buy balance carried down. 5,600 minus 2,500. This is 3,100. Total, you can take it now. $34.5 plus 23 plus 12 plus 10.1875 plus 12.125. 96,812.5 minus 3 minus 33 minus 24. 36,812.5. 10 marks question, we have completed it in 12.38. 2 years means saved time of almost 6 minutes. Yes, beta. हुआ स्पीड मैच? स्पीड मैच हुआ क्या? राउंड ऑफ कैन बी डन. नो बेटा, एबीसीडी होगा तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है प्रियंका जी, एबीसीडी का कुछ नहीं बनाते. टेन मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन है. सिक्सटीन नंबर क्वेश्चन. सिक्सटीन नंबर क्वेश्चन. इजी છે અરે ઇઝી છે કે વાહ વાહ હર્ષિત, વેરી ગુડ જ્યોતિ. ज्ञानेश सर टैली इज रिमेनिंग. ओके. महिमा बोल रही है कि सर पहली बार आपसे स्पीड मैच हुआ. आलोक का भी स्पीड मैच हुआ. वेरी गुड बेटा आलोक, वेरी गुड. चलो 16 नंबर. यस, शुड आई गिव यू टाइम? देखो, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू 16 फर्स्ट. परचेस 9,000 डिबेंचर्स. सो बेटा ये डेट थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ हो गई है. इंटरेस्ट डेट्स क्या है? नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च. नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च. 1st November and 1st May. So 5 months. 1st July नहीं है, अप्रैल. So पहले this is script 1. See, purchase 9,000 8% bonds. Okay, script 1. received half year interest, scrip 1. 10 July, scrip 2, 12,000 equity shares, brokerage 2%. Sold scrip 1. So first May, June, July, August, September. So this is again 5 months. 1st November, 6 months का interest. So this is on 90,000 नहीं 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs में से 9,000 में से 2250 बेच दिया. 6750 6,75,000 पे इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा. This is script 2. Beta, script 2. So, first you have to identify script 1 ke days. Script 1. So, in exam also you can separate it out. Purchase. Then, 1st May, interest received. Then 1st October, sold. Then 1st November, received interest. And 31st March or December. 31st March, closing. Script 2. Script 2, 10 July. Tenth July, purchase. And 15 Jan, write. There is no sold entry, है ना? हाँ. And interim dividend, P&L च्या credit ला. And they ask you only investment account. So no need to prepare P&L account. Interim dividend, if you prepare P&L account, it's okay. But there is no need to prepare P&L account if is not asked. पर ठीक है, बना लिया तो अच्छी बात है. So there are 2 scripts. Yes. Should I give you time? Okay. Should I give you time now? Scripts are given separately. Scripts are given separately. Or should I solve with you, beta? चलो जल्दी से बताओ. You want, now I have given you bifurcation also. Which entries you have to pass. If you want with me, you can tell me, beta. Alok is saying, sir, give us time. Yes, beta. Closing interest आएगा. Closing balance, including interest. Including interest. Yes. Alok is asking, sir, give time. Jyotija is also saying, sir, give time. 15 minutes do? Yes, beta, 15 minutes. Accrued interest आएगा. हम करेंगे, ठीक है. Solve with us. Harshit is saying, sir, solve with us. Give time. Gaurav is saying, give time. चलो बेटा एक बार कर लो ना खुद से. मैं भी लेता हूँ 10 मिनट में मैं करवा के देता हूँ. पर पहले आप लोग ट्राई तो करो. ट्राई करोगे, गलतियां करोगे तो सीखोगे ना. चलो ले लो ना, टाइम ले लो. 15 मिनट है, आज टाइम है हमारे पास. नहीं रहता तो मैंने नहीं दिया रहता. यस, टाइम है तो यूज इट. चलो 15 मिनट्स. ओके, चलो फास्ट. 12 to 15 minutes. चलो 12 minutes. 12 minutes. चलो 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 फास्ट, 12 मिनट्स यू हैव। 12 मिनट्स के बाद रुक जाइए, स्टॉप आफ्टर 12 मिनट्स, ओके, देन आई विल सॉल्व। ओके ओवर। चलो लास्ट क्वेश्चन है ये। बेटा आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू राइट investment account and all. I will just mention columns, date particulars, face value, interest, cost. So date, okay, 1st April 17, to bank 9 lakhs, interest 9 lakhs into 8% into 5 by 12, 30,000, 9,000 into 82.5, 80.5, sorry, 80.5 less 30,000. 6 lakhs 94,500. Next date, 1st May, by bank 9 lakhs into 8% into 6 by 12, 9 lakhs into 8% divided by 2, 3 lakhs 36,000, sorry, 36,000. Sold 2250 by bank 2,25,000, 2,25,000 into 8% into 5 by 12, 7,500, 2250 into 81x interest, so don't deduct interest. 182,250. Sales value, I won't write all column names. 182,250. Roman 2 less cost of acquisition. 694,500 for 9,000. तो 2250 के लिए कितना? 694,500, 173, 625. So I'm in profit 8625. By bank 9,000 minus 2250. So you left with 6750. 6,75,000 into 8% into 6 by 12. 27,000. 31st March. By interest receivable, hidden interest. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. 8% into 5 by 12. 22,500. And buy balance carried down. 6,75,000. Star mark and 2 P&L. Nine lakhs minus 2,25,000. ये तो ठीक है. इंटरेस्ट का 36 प्लस 7.5 प्लस 27 प्लस 22.5 minus 30,000. 63,000. And here total you can take by your own. Minus 182.25 minus, so 528.75. It's correct. 528.75. So this is the answer. Investment in equity shares is very easy as compared to this. Yes, you can take a screenshot if you want. Ajay Kumar is asking, sir, 1/4/2017, 5 months क्यों आया? बेटा, लास्ट इंटरेस्ट यू पेड फॉर 1 नवंबर. नवंबर को लास्ट इंटरेस्ट पे हुआ रहेगा. तो नवंबर, डिसम्बर, जनवरी, फेब्रुआरी, मार्च, 5 months. From November to March. April we won't consider. November, December, January, February, March. And here May to September. May to September. Won't consider October. 1st October. Yes, Jyoti, now you are correct, beta. Arishit बोल रहे हो correct है. And equity shares is very easy. I am not going to answer equity shares. I will show you directly the answer part. Equity का आंसर मैं directly बता दूंगा आपको. Beta, now we have almost done with this chapter. Equity, you can see equity ka. Equity shares to bank and buy balance carried down. Khatam. Renouncement and interim dividend P&L, but P&L is not asked in the exam. But still, if you want to show the P&L account, it's okay. It is not asked P&L. Easy che? Now it's easy, beta. One more question. अभी कौन सा बच्चा बेटा? Now we have solved all questions ना. तो बच्चा ही कौन सा? 18th over, 19th over. कितने सॉल्व करवाओगे बेटा अब्दुल? हैव यू कंप्लीटेड May 14? चलो लास्ट क्वेश्चन. May 14. May 14 बेटा. बेटा रिवीजन देर इज नो शॉर्टकट. बेटा P&L में, because this P&L is specifically for investment in equity shares. Okay, so investment, good question. Sir, in P&L, interest entry you can transfer, but this P&L is related to equity shares. This P&L is related to equity shares, and that's why we are not recorded. But you can record in equity shares also, and this one also, beta. कौन सा? Debentures. Okay. Otherwise, you can write one note. Renouncement. Yes. नहीं नहीं नहीं. Have you solved वो another part है? May 2014 is illustration number 10. क्या? Already solved? ये 8 मार्क के लिए थोड़ा 9 सब ही है ना? Yes, for 8 marks. But a pre-interim dividend is never divided in pre and post acquisition. Interim dividend is always recorded in P&L. Okay? Yes. Illustration 10, 8, May 14. It is illustration number 10. So no need to solve. अरे बोलो जल्दी जल्दी, which question now we left with? It's already solved. अरे बोलो fast. चलो बोलो fast. Yes. 8 number. बेटा इंटरिम डिविडेंड इज गिवन टू बोनस शेयर्स एंड राइट शेयर्स बोथ. बेटा कनक हरिनी जी, कनका हरिनी जी, बोथ बोथ को दिया जाता है. बोनस शेयर्स का क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 ऑफ असाइनमेंट. 18 नंबर हो गया ना बेटा अभी? 18 नंबर ऑलरेडी कवर्ड. क्या करते हो भाई साहब? मोहम्मद जी 18 नंबर ऑलरेडी कवर किया हुआ है. बोनस शेयर स्कैनर क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. हाँ, नाउ यू कैन सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन बेटा. अच्छा, वो राइट शेयर्स का लास्ट पार्ट ले लेता हूं. चलो सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन बेटा, जून 2011 बोनस शेयर्स का, फास्ट सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. यस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन फास्ट. बोनस शेयर्स का सॉल्व करो. अच्छा, राइट शेयर्स के कुछ एंट्रीज बताने रह गए. Up to 2 digits. Is the value of right. So theoretical price is 35.57. X right price. Then value of right is 45 minus. This is 9.43. Two by 5. So 2 shares are increasing for 5 shares. So 2 by 5 means 40% से increase हुआ. Yes. You can directly write 2 by 5 also. Last one. So increase in share capital is a new question. Increase in share capital. 2 shares increase for every 5 shares. So 40% increase. अरे बेटा प्रणव, answers I cannot issue beta because my answers are not 100% correct. Therefore, beta, I will take it in the class only. Otherwise, you can Google it. Or you can buy one scanner. Nine question easy. And one more concept I want to explain you. Increase by 45. Yes, very good. Very good. Take up to 2 digits. Take up to 2 digits. It is a new question. Percentage increase in share capital. Percentage increase in share capital. 2 shares are increased for every 5 shares. So 40% से increase हुआ. So this is a new question. बेटा 2 shares 5 shares में बढ़ गए. So 5 में 2. तो 100 में कितना? 40. 40% से increase हुआ. 100 में कितना? That is the percentage increase. So for every 5 shares, your 2 shares are increasing. So 40% से increase हुआ. चलो. Last question. बोनस शेयर्स का, हाँ, राइट शेयर्स के कुछ एंट्रीज थे, वेरी इजी एंट्रीज. नाउ राइट शेयर्स, हाँ, see these examples are really very easy. A company having 70,000 equity shares of 10 each, share capital, market value of ₹21. Right share, 1 share for every 10 shares. So 70,000 shares into 1 share for 10 shares. So 7,000. Market value is 21. Okay, market value we are not concerned. Issue price is rupees 10. So 7,000 shares into rupees 10. We are collecting 70,000. So bank account debit to equity share capital. So entry is very easy. See, once again, we have 70,000 equity shares. 1 for 7. So we are issuing 7,000 shares, right? Shares. And what is the price? 10 rupees. Face value is 10. So bank account and issue price is also 10. So there is no security premium. So bank account debit to equity share capital. Bank account debit to equity share capital. Because here in this question you can write face value is equal to issue price. Therefore, no security premium. No excess amount that you collected. Face value only you collected as a right price. Now 1 lakh shares. 1 share for 10 shares. $10,000 shares. Issue price 31. Out of this face value 10. So security premium is 21. Okay. So you collected 31. Bank account debit 31. To share capital 10. To security premium 21. Multiplied by how many shares? 10,000. So 3 lakh 10,000. Yes. 1 lakh and then 2 lakh 10,000. So these are the entries. Example number 5 is easy. So you always think for, and here face value is not equal to issue price. Therefore security premium. Face value 10. Issue price is 46. Sorry, 31. So security premium is 21. So these are entries for right shares. And one more question is there. Question number 5. A company is having share capital 25,000. Decided to write shares. Assuming all shareholders accepted right shares and all money received. But a right price is not given. So we will assume 10 rupees is a right price. So 25,000 into 1 by 4. So here face value is equal to issue price. Therefore, no security premium. You can write this language. Face value is equal to issue price. Therefore, no security premium. So how many shares? 25,000 divided by 4. 6250 shares into 10. So bank account debit to equity share capital 62,500. Bank account debit to equity share capital 62,500. Okay, correct. Bank account debit to equity share capital. Khattam. I hope you understood all these questions. Beta, please go through bonus shares once again. बेटा रिनाउंसमेंट की एंट्री बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू पी एंड एल. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू पी एंड एल. रिनाउंसमेंट की एंट्रीज. ओके. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, how to do revision? How to do revision? Yes, you go through. Please note down index of all questions. Past examination question index you can do by your own. Okay. So past examination questions आपने आपके करने हैं. And ultimately bonus shares. Then after that redemption of preference shares, redemption of debentures. You revise and please give one test paper. Test paper will help you out टू अंडरस्टैंड यूर कॉन्सेप्ट. सो बेटा सपोज आपको टेस्ट सीरीज वगैरह किधर तो ज्वाइन कर लो, पुणे ब्रांच में भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. तो टेस्ट सीरीज का फायदा इतना ही होगा कि जैसे जैसे आपका चैप्टर खत्म होगा आप लोगों का रिवीजन भी हो जाएगा. सो डू इट प्रैक्टिकली, सिस्टमैटिकली, यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट. एंड आई होप now every one of you are very sure about investment chapter. Investment की बहुत प्रैक्टिस की है and I like the technique that you are following. Yes sir, please don't teach us, we will see recorded sessions. And important point is that now in this batch we solved n number of questions. I'm telling you, first time I'm very happy that I solved each and every question of past examination, and which will help you out in your main exam to understand this concept. Okay, so module questions के साइड से हमने एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस की है ये 3 दिनों में, और ऐसा ही स्केड्यूल आगे का रखना. वी आर गोइंग टू मीट ऑन 17. तो हम लोग अभी 17 से शायद से मेरा सेशन चालू होगा या उसके बाद. सो नाउ 3 chapters another faculty will take, and I hope you will do the same analysis, past examination questions, study material questions, and remaining questions you guys solve it. और index भी complete करोगे. Red pen adjustments, wherever you are going wrong, please note down it somewhere. These are important adjustments, so it will help you out in your future. System, see, system is important. After, now you are getting it, it doesn't matter. Okay, but after 15 days you are going to become Gajni beta. So after that, you are not going to remember anything. So it's better if you do it properly, means red pen adjustments, important adjustment. This is a new concept in this question. If you write down it somewhere, it will help you out. Okay, चलिए. So आज के लिए विदा लेता हूँ और हम लोग मिलेंगे 15 दिन के बाद. ओके, चलो. सपना जी, थैंक यू बेटा. कनकरिनी जी, यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट देम एंड यू विल गेट दिस टेस्ट सीरीज एंड ऑल. चलिए, तो अभी हम लोग विदा लेते हैं और हम लोग मिलते हैं अभी 17 डेज के बाद. चलो, थैंक यू. योर क्वेश्चंस आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व आफ्टर 17 डेज. थैंक यू. यस, थैंक यू.